Before we get started, remember, viewer discretion is advised. Remember to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, click that bell. Now, let's get on with the show. Mijeezas.
Mijeezas, me no love man. No. Mijeezas, no, me no love man. My girl come and diss me.
That's a blood clot.
Mijeezas, my mother come and diss.
So, Top Nation. Hold on, let me show you guys my hair first. Alright, so this is how my hair looks. I know this is last minute. I cannot stand up because my little forehead is gonna be exposed. I'm trying to get up into the room, but I don't want to wake nobody up. I'm going to Jamaica. I was never gonna do a vlog, Mijeezas, but people want to see vlogs of Tabizzle Prime / Tabizzle Vlogs. So I say, you know what, might as well do at least a couple clips. Going to Jamaica for 2 weeks, bro. I'm at 892 subscribers, close to 1,000. So what better time to actually do a vlog going back to my home country that I know I'm not gonna see back for the next couple of years, God's willing, right? So bro, I'm so proud. I'm very happy because I'm gonna see my family, bro. I will show you guys my brother right now, but you guys are gonna get to meet him. O'Keefe, well uppity, bro, youngest bro, and some of my family came from New York, bro. It's gonna be a uppity vlog, bro. Just do it with me, man. I appreciate every single one of y'all, bro. I'm gonna start the trip tomorrow. Now I'm in 4:20 flight, and bro, and well uppity, man. This vlog gonna be kinda late, but Mijeezas. Enjoy the Tabizzle Prime vlogs. So good morning, Tab Nation. It's currently 2:08, like it's 7 something right now, bro, in West Palm Beach, and I haven't gone to Jamaica as yet because I have a 4:20 flight, bro. And Mijeezas, just want to say to my Tab Nation followers out there, bro, this definitely gonna be a vlog. You know what I mean? And there's definitely gonna be probably vlog or vlogs. The reason being, bro, I'm actually gonna go to Jamaica to do so much other content. So I don't know if I'm gonna have enough time to do enough vlogs. But this definitely right here gonna be a vlog of me capturing myself going to Jamaica, bro. Giving that dope ass freaking B-roll that I used to give you when I remember when I went to New York and stuff. So that's the reason why. So I apologize, Tab Nation, for not gonna probably give like 4, 5, 6 vlogs, but I'm gonna turn like those vlogs into the stuff that I do in terms of public interviews, hits and stuff for the YouTube channel, because you know I need content for y'all, bro, and without y'all my content can never and will never strive. So bro, Mijeezas, everything uppity so far, bro. It's almost 9 o'clock. It's probably soon 9 o'clock or something like that, bro, and I'm gonna get ready. See my hair as I showed you guys last night, bro. Everything uppity. So Tab Nation, it's time, bro. Mijeezas, Tabizzle Vlog / Tabizzle Prime. Going back to my home country now, bro. You know what I mean? Do some work, bro, and spend some time with the family. Mijeezas, bro. I hope you guys enjoy this trip, bro. As I said before, bro, it's not really. I'm gonna do like a couple vlogs, probably like 2 vlogs. Let me brighten this a bit. 2 vlogs, 3 vlogs, or some shit like that, bro. Probably 2. You know what I mean? Because I want to make sure I get enough content while I go to Jamaica. I want to make these ladies arch their backs. Mijeezas. Well uppity, bro. So bro, I'm gonna give you the guys a sneak peek of the flight and everything, bro. So mommy buy me there forward and well uppity. So we'll link up, alright? So Tab Nation, bro, this is one of my most difficult vlog ever. Because bro, I just got out of TSA and the people, yo, it should be moving wild, bro, for the Christmas. You know what I mean? Very important. But then I don't know if you guys can see me that well either, man. This stuff kinda dark, I ain't gonna lie. You know what I mean? But bro, I'm doing my best, okay? So I want to please guys, don't do me anything bad, okay? Tabizzle Vlog's trying. On my way to Jamaica, bro. Mijeezas.
Or after App Store and search.
Come in? Oh, so sorry. So you're Tab Nation. They are pray up now. The bros, graduation thing, we'll focus this. Yeah, praying up now. G. Proud there, bro. No, I'm proud of him. Hey, man. Rush uppity. Caught him on the like, bro. Life is so like life funny. Didn't even know that this dude going back to Jamaica and he didn't know the same thing, man. I will see they're very close to each other. The Jamaica flag this and thing. So when you guys just walk and just wave it and thing. Uppity, bro. Nah, I shouldn't uppity, man. Yeah. Top nation, you see that? That's why it's okay to go to school. Don't follow me, don't follow a crook like me. Not everybody cut out to be an idiot, you know. But yeah, man, this is my vlog going to Jamaica, bro. And when I reach Jamaica, I'm gonna let you guys know. Thank you guys for reaching this far in the vlog and watching Tabizzle Vlogs. Well up with you. Don't know, big bad rush over there, so I mean, but need y'all to go on our Instagram, that's __rush, and comment rush. We need you as a music artist. Please go comment on it. You alright? Yes, man. You bet. Man, me know your ID. __ rush. It's like 3 underscore.
No, one
underscore. Listen, y'all go follow Rush. Once you put in Rush, you go for his name is unique. And I'm in Tab Nation, so I'm gonna let you guys know when I'm down in my island, bro. As I said, man, it's not gonna be like a B-roll vlog like the New York vlog. This gonna be more of me just talking to y'all face to face. Well up it and Mijeezas. Mijeezas at Tab Nation, bro. Y'all know already, bro. I'm here. Alright? I'm here. I'm in my home country, bro. I'm in Jamaica. And I wish I could show you guys how the place look, bro, but I didn't get the chance because the place was so congested and busy, and you know how the hell Jamaican people drive, bro. So tomorrow when I wake up, I'm just gonna go outside and give you guys a little sneak peek of how Jamaica is, and give you guys that, show you that, yo, Jamaica is not an island to play with, bro. Jamaica uppity. Mijeezas. So all for my Tab Nation fans out here, bro. Well uppity as usual, man. I'ma see y'all tomorrow. I'm so tired right now, so I'm gonna get some sleep, bro. And I'm gonna let y'all know about what's going on tomorrow. Alright, bro. Alright. Jamaica, I'm here. Mijeezas, Tab Nation. Guess what, bro? I'm home. Okay? I'm home, bro. And I'm well uppity. And I mean, this is where I live in beautiful Jamaica, bro. I'm gonna give you a couple shots here and there, bro. And you know what I mean, bro, like right now, man, you don't even know how happy I am to know that I'm around the people that I love as much as I love my people that I'm around. So it's great to leave love and come back in even other love. Mijeezas. Well uppity, bro, you know what I mean? And bro, today, as I said, man, it's not gonna be much vlog from Tabizzle Prime. It's more of I'm just wanna make you guys know, you know what I mean, updates of yo Tabizzle Vlogs doing uppity. I'm here, you know what I mean, Black's over there, so this is the dog I used to grow up with, bro. Come here, Black. Come here, Blacks. And nedging teeth, that's Black's over there. Always nedging his damn teeth ever since he was a kid and stuff, bro. And yeah, this is a garbage pan. This is a Jamaican garbage pan. I mean, this is a house, and the back house when we used to stay in there over the next side. I'm not sure where that house when we used to stay in, by the way, bro. And yeah, bro, this is the place, man. This is Jamaica, bro. This is Jamaica. I mean, this is Jamaica. So if you come to Jamaica, make sure you come to the real Jamaica. I'm gonna show you a couple places and stuff, bro. Well up with it. Mijeezas. What's the name of this drone? Got all beard and shit.
Quad racers.
Mijeezas. What you over here making, bro?
Quad racers.
Quad racers?
I mean,
what's the quad racers about, bro?
You have to make up your...
Bro.
The racing course.
Bro, guess what?
Yes, sir.
You know it rains, right?
And it pours.
It rains, it pours, a cames, a source. Yeah, people, that's big bro right there, bro. Can't be calling little bro, can't tell them. Mijeezas. Yeah, man, I feel like the chorus and stuff. But yeah, my people, this is Jamaica. This is Jamaica from a Spanish follower. Well up pretty, bro. We'll link up, alright? Mijeezas. So yeah, Tab Nation, this is where Tabizzle Vlogs Tabizzle Prime used to stay and stuff, you know what I mean? But yeah, Tab Nation, me Jesus, it's Tabizzle Vlogs representing my bro right there, bro. And this, as I said before, bro, this is not really gonna be like a B-roll vlog like that, cause I just want you guys to get more of me. And when I do B-roll stuff, it's not really real, you know. It's just me making up slow motion stuff. Well, I'm not Kiffy, give them the. Me Jesus bones to fair, me Jesus bones. Give them me Jesus bones, Kiffy. Me Jesus. We don't love man. No. Me Jesus. No, me don't love. We are busting me Jesus bones now, bro. You can do it, man. The boy can do the me Jesus bones. But yeah, Tab Nation, this is Tabizzle Vlogs in my country, Jamaica, man. You know what I mean? But as I said before, I just want to give my vlogs like this, like a lot more talking, a lot more direct to y'all. I can do the B-roll if I want to, but like the Casey Neistat stuff, when like you guys love stuff like that, when I do the almost Casey Neistat vlogs, but I have to give you guys real, cause I have to make you guys see that yo, we're living in real situations and stuff, bro. I will up it right now, alright? But bro, we're gonna go on the road. I'm gonna surprise my auntie. So my bro gonna come with me and we're gonna shell it up.
I'm gonna video it.
Yeah, we're finna mess it up.
You want a video?
Yup.
Yeah.
We're gonna make it well up it, bro. So watch out for that. You're gonna be so surprised. Cause my brother, we told her like that, well, I'm not bother coming, so she don't even know that I'm in Jamaica right now.
I'm bringing my sweater, man.
So I'm gonna surprise her, right? Me Jesus, well up it, bro. Alright. Last name.
Rashan!
Yeah, me just want to show up. Yes, you can hear now. Who is this? So Tab Nation, me Jesus back here again on the vlogs, bro. And basically, I finna go get some eat. You know what I mean? I finna eat my favorite food, bro. You call that Aki. You know what I mean? Well, up it Aki. You know what I mean, bro? You know, without Aki, there is no life. I'm gonna show you what Aki means and what Aki, like, I'm gonna show you the meaning of Aki, bro. Me Jesus, well up it. And I'm about to go inside here where I have the beautiful light this. Okay. So forward.
Yeah, you can put the blame on me, cause I came here just to party, just to have fun, get the madness started. You're the first girl you must see from a walk-in. If you're with me, try your hands up. Everything else tonight, I get cancelled. East, west, north and south, every angle. Be a girl I show up at random. Love is when the girl them come out.